swear, it always amazes me how much traction these tires actually have. The fact that you can literally almost bar drag at any given point is insane. Oh shit! Oh my gosh! That was so fast!
Oh my god, Ben.
What?
You're not on bottom.
No.
We're only halfway. This is a bad situation.
Don't stand over there. Hold up.
You gotta pull it quick, guys.
Oh, I'm not doing anything.
Go. Pull. Oh, it's breaking! Oh no!
Hey. Get the bike. Oh my god.
Oh no! It's fully under.
It's so submerged.
Let's get it on, come on! This is so fucking cold!
Left, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, my bike!
Let them pull it out before we break the ice more.
This sucks so much that it's my bike.
I wanted to keep riding it.
Yeah, that sucks. It's so cold. It's so cold.